What's up, guys? It's Phil, and I wanted to make this video. I had other videos that I recorded, but I feel like this is something important for people that might be running into some trouble in regards to pairing their Quest 3 with their phone. And one of those, or I should say two issues that actually popped up that I found out afterwards, sending my Quest 3 back with the one that I purchased, ended up purchasing another one, by the way, is that the issue is that it's having trouble with pairing with an iPhone 6S, okay, and also Xperia model, so a Sony Xperia. So that's just something to keep in mind if you guys are running into some issues. They haven't resolved it yet, at least from what I've known. What I've known over the course of the weekend. I haven't checked the recent forums there. But just in case that you guys encounter that. Now, that might not be for everyone's situation. There is the possibility that you could factory reset, and that might resolve it. And based on some of the testing that I've done, is that both devices actually do recognize each other. The only issue is that it's not pairing for whatever reason. But that's not an issue that can be resolved out of the box, or from basic troubleshooting. And I spent several hours both troubleshooting for myself when I initially purchased the Quest 3, and on top of that, spending several different occasions, getting in contact with support. So in the event that happens, a factory reset might help. It seems to be more common with iPhone 6S and some Xperia models. It's best to check the forums. But on top of that, in my initial test, I actually had my friend with me when I first purchased it and did the unboxing. And the issue came up with not being able to pair with an iPhone 12. And that was after a factory reset. So just kind of keep that in mind. Just hold your breath for a little bit longer, and everyone's going to get through this. It's kind of an unfortunate oversight, in my opinion. However, I was able to resolve it by purchasing a cheap tablet, a Samsung tablet. So just to see, that was with the second headset. And by that time, I already had the first one that I purchased returned. So hey, it is what it is, man. Technology can kind of be a pain, as we all know, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. Hopefully you guys are able to play. I'd like to know what you guys think about it. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and share your experience as well. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the virtual space, and see you again soon.